there are so many videos on YouTube that is misleading people, right? So a lot of people are actually crying out that after using this CapCut music, that they got copyright on YouTube, and some say they got violation on Facebook, right? So all you need to do is for you to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be explaining how you can actually use uncopyrighted music on CapCut, right? So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better. This channel will teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian. I would like to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you will be among the first people to see the video. So basically, I've been getting so many complaints from people saying that after they use the music and CapCut, they got copyrighted on YouTube, and some say they got violations on Facebook, right? So basically, those music on CapCut belong to people. In as much as there are some you can actually use that are not copyrighted, but those music belong to people. Those ones that are not copyrighted or that are free now, the person might wake up tomorrow and say, this my music where I know they earn money from, make I just go copyright them so that the people who don't use them and go feel they make money from them, right? So you see that that's a risk. You just have like 50-50 chance that one day the person might wake up and boom, you get strike. So it's important for you to understand this. I've said this several times. Please don't use people's music. Facebook provided sound collection for users. YouTube provided audio library for their users. So why are you still using those music on CapCut? Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys in this video is that I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually download music from YouTube Studio, and also how to download music from Facebook sound collection. So, and when we download this music, we are going to head to CapCut. Then let me show you how to import those music into CapCut and how to use them. So from now on, I don't want you to use those music on CapCut, because after using the music, I know definitely you will still come back to me and say, please, I got copyright, please, I got violation. So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to show you guys how to do this step by step. Just make sure that you watch this video step by step from beginning to the end, right? But before we go to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. So guys, let's head to the screen, right? So basically, right now I'm on YouTube, right? So if you want to download audio from YouTube, it's very simple. So all you just need to do is for you to quickly just come to right here, come to manage video, and once you click on manage video, it will take you directly to the studio, right? So right here, what you need to do is to come to this side. You can see this side, and you will see audio library here. You can see audio library. Once tap on it, you see different audios that you can actually use for your videos, right? So right now you can actually review the audio, so you can play it. You click on here, the audio will play in, right? So you'll be able to review the audio. So if you want to download, you just need to come right here and click on this download right here, and you can see right now the audio is downloading. You can see it up here, it's downloaded, right? So this is exactly how to download audio from YouTube. In case if you want to use this audio for YouTube videos, if you want download this audio from here, then you take it to CapCut. Do not use those audio inside CapCut. Just come to this audio library. If your video is for YouTube, download audio from YouTube Studio, then use it inside the CapCut. So let me quickly show you guys exactly how to download from Facebook sound collection. So it's very easy. So let's go, right? So what you need to do is actually come to Facebook. When you come to Facebook, right, you can look right here. If you look right here, you can see Meta Business Suite, right? So all you need to do is for you to actually click on the Meta Business Suite. This is actually an entire business area and content area. This is for content. Meta Business Suite for content. Right here you can see a lot of things. You can actually upload video from here. If you watch the last video I uploaded on this thing on how to actually check copyright and all those things, you can actually do all those stuff right here. So what you need to do is for you to just, once you click on the Meta Business Suite, you need to come down right here. Come down right here where you see all tools, right? All tools. Then click on all tools. Once you click on all tools, then the next thing you need to do is to look for the sound collection. You can see sound collection right here. You just need to tap on sound collection, right? So once you tap on sound collection, you see different sounds that you can actually use for your videos. You can see it's just the same thing as audio library or YouTube, So they provided these sounds for creators. So when you are editing for Facebook, and you want to use sound or something to be playing on the background, you just need to come to this sound collection on inside Meta Business Suite, and you'll be able to download this sound right here and use it. There is nothing like copyright. So if you are using your own for YouTube, do it that way. Go to YouTube library and download. So this is the last time I'm going to be making video on this, because I've been saying this all the time, but people still keep making the same mistake, right? So if you want to download from this, actually what you need to do is for you just to click on this download right here. You can see this download icon. Once you tap on it, you can see up here the audio is already downloaded, right? Understand? So that's it. So if you, for instance, say when you want to download, like you want to listen to the song first before downloading, all you just need to do is to come and click on this icon right here. Once you tap on this icon right here, you can see this something is playing. Definitely, due to because I'm recording my screen, you might not hear it, but if you look at the screen, you can see that it's playing, right? So that's it, and you can see the one we are downloading is almost here, right? So this is basically how you can actually download these audios. After downloading this music, the next thing we need to do, right, is to head to CapCut and edit this video, right? So let's head back to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys how you can actually import those music, how to fade in, fade out, how to reduce the volume, how to increase the volume, everything I'm going to be showing you in the other side of the screen, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? So basically, I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually import this audio to your CapCut. So let's open CapCut, right? So once you open your CapCut, you don't need to like open a new project, maybe let's just open a new project, let me just select any video that might be cool right here, right? So then as I select this video, so basically if you want to import the audio, all you need to do is for you to click on this audio right here, tap on it. Once you tap on the audio, right, so the next thing you need to do is for you to click on this sound right here and tap on sound, right? So when you tap on sound, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on this icon that is like a file icon. When you tap on it, then you will see extracted, see device, see iTunes, see extract audio from video. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to click on device, right? This device right here. When you tap on the device, then you need to go and select from device, right? So right now here is all the music in my device, right? So here is the audio I downloaded from YouTube, right? So I just need to select it, right? Then click on this open up here, then you can see it right here. So all I just need to do is for me to just click on this cross right here. So once I tap on this cross, you can see the music is actually inside here, right? You can see it under here, right? So that's it. So for instance, like if I want to actually increase or reduce the volume, what I need to do is for me to tap on it. I just need to select it. So once I select it, you can see right here under here, you can see volume, right? So you just need to tap on the volume. Then if you want to reduce it, then you reduce. If you want to increase it, then you increase. So this is exactly how to for some of you guys
do
that
that,
have been using
right? So another thing I want to show you guys is maybe for instance, if you want your video to fade in or fade out, like for instance, like you want the video to start small then go up, right? You just need to click on this fade. Let me show you again. You need to click on this fade. Can you see this fade right here? And you need to tap on the fade, right? So if you want it to fade in, you just need to select the amount of fade you want, right? If it's 3, if it's 2, right, it will fade in.
For some of you guys that
right?
have been using CapCut,
So if you want it to fade out, you don't need to click on this or fade out right here, and then select the amount you want. Then that's it, right? So it's exactly how to do that. Then for instance, if you don't want some certain part of the video of the audio, right, you want to actually delete off some part, all you just need to do is for you to make sure the audio is selected. So then click on this split, then split off the part you want, then click on deleting, it will go, right? Or maybe you want to actually split in the middle of the audio and leave another end. Let me just do undo and bring it back. You can see I've already split it here. Then you just need to come and split the other side you want to delete, then split it, then come inside and delete the center, which, as you can see, the audio is showing here and it's also showing here. So all these things are some of the tools that actually comes with the audio for with sound, right? So this is exactly how to do this. Basically I did the download with desktop because I'm using iPhone and I cannot download from Meta Business Suite with iPhone, because anytime I click on the download, the music will start playing instead of downloading. So that's why I use desktop, right? So, and YouTube audio library, you can only access it with desktop, right? So it's important when after downloading it from with your desktop, then you can just put it inside your phone so that you'll be able to use it right here. Most of us use CapCut mobile. So this is exactly how to do it, guys. So see you in the other side of the screen.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're just seeing me today for the first time, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.